Hi everybody, Ben here from Cayzu Help Desk. On today's quick video, we're going to show you how to create and customize these forms on your end user portal. Okay, so again, the end user portal is where your users can search and browse a knowledge base, sign in to view past requests, and of course, submit, right? So we currently have three different forms. I'm going to add in an HR form, okay, so for human resources. So the first step will be coming into the agent portal, ensuring that you have administrative privileges, and starting off with the custom fields. Okay, so we need to create some custom fields in order to then dictate them and associate them to the forms. So we're going to come here, we're going to select add ticket field for the form, and then we're going to make our selection. So for example, let's use drop down, okay? Is this a new hire? Okay, so the drop down will put yes, no, and then we'll just use another rehire, let's say. Okay, we can choose to require it, we can display it. So we do want to display it because we do want to make that visible to your users. Once completed, we click save. So the next step will be from the custom fields, we're going to come into the form. So we will see that we have three separate forms. Again, those will match your end user portal. Now we're going to go ahead and add a new one, give it a name, for HR, let's call it human resources. Okay, so the description won't matter as much. That's just system required, so you can put whatever you want. It won't be displayed. This is my heading text. So I'm going to be really obvious, and just so we can see that. We can then make an association to an email. So if you only use one email, there'll be no selection. But if you do want it coming from one of your emails, that can happen. And more importantly is then adding in the custom fields. So before getting to that, let me kind of explain the visible fields to the hidden fields. So the visible fields is what will be currently displayed on your end user portal. What you will notice is that there's hidden fields. So for example, the source right now is hidden, products hidden, tags, groups, right? So if I wanted to make something visible, I could show it. Okay, it will now be displayed. If I want to hide it, I can also hide it. And then from there, default it to something. So let's now go in and add that custom field that I've created. Is this a new hire? Okay, we simply click add new field. Keep in mind you can drag and drop. Okay, so if you want to put at the top or the middle, right click and drag and drop. Once we've made our changes, we click save. Okay, so once the form has been created, we can now come back to the end user portal, submit a new request, and what we're going to see there is that new form, the heading text, and then that new hire. So you would repeat this, okay, as many times as you want, of course. Keep in mind that when you're adding in your custom field, you can add them all at once, and then from there, come to the form. For example, if I wanted to come in here and edit it, and I wanted to add in a different custom field that I've created, for example, what is my favorite dog? All right, so if I wanted to add that, again, it comes to the bottom, and then we simply click save. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and we'll see you soon.